to heal, yet still you fight with what you're told, and hold on to your scars and wounds and past of old. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them, yeah. I can't begin to comprehend what you've been through. I wish it was all just pretend, just an awful dream, but please don't let your heart grow dead. For God restores it, brings hope and grace and truth and life. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them, yeah. Grace is the reason why we're both alive, so we'll